Hey everybody, going to go over our Forex trades for today, July 21st, Tuesday. Excuse me. Busy day, a lot of churning, just didn't get anywhere after commissions. We actually finished down slightly. We finished up slightly before commissions on a size adjusted basis, finished down after commissions slightly. Just couldn't get anything going. No economic news really this morning. There was one economic data last night, which gave us an actual nice scalp. That scalp really saved the rest of the day. The rest of it was really just churning. Let's get to it because, like I said, really not a lot of news out there to go over. First trades you're looking at here is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We had three trades here. First one we were short 0.65975. We covered that 0.65824, picking up 15.1 pips. Size adjusted just 0.4 pips. We only had 2.5% of our normal size. With the plan was to work our way into a 10% position. It didn't materialize, and we ended up covering, so picked up 0.4 pips there. Then we were short 0.65471. We were in this a full 10% of our normal size. We covered 0.66061 up here in this area, losing 59 pips or 5.9 adjusted for size. And then again, we were short 0.66108. And we made on it. We covered 0.65974, picking up 13.4 pips, but again, only 2.5% of our normal size, with the plan on working into the 10. So of course, just as it works out, the trade that we had our 10% of our normal size in one shot totally went against us. It's just, as it worked out, unfortunately. Australian dollar, US dollar, we were short 0.73928. Again, this was a nice trade. We covered 0.73768, picking up 16 pips even. Size adjusted 0.4 pips. Again, we wanted to work into 2.5% of our normal size on up to 10%, and just didn't get it done. So picking up the 16 pips or 0.4. And then the other short this was the full scalp, 0.73800, covered 0.73686, picking up 11.4 pips. It was a really solid, easy trade. There was some news, economic news. It made a pop over about a half an hour or so when that news came out. Came right into a resistance area, and we just faded it and brought it down. Obviously, you see what happened. We could have covered it a lot lower. Could have covered it at least down by 0.73500. But it also, where we got out seemed to be a good spot because this could be potential support area, and it tried to hold the support for several hours, and then overnight broke down. So we were happy with the trade. And the last trade was Euro Yen. We were short 134.628, a 10% of our normal size. It did come in our favor, but we were really looking for it to move down closer to the figure. It traded as low as 134.36. Maybe we could have covered 134.40, 134.39. We were looking for it to come all the way down close to 134. It never did it. You can see what happened. It rebounded. It bounced off this low that it put in place. Hindsight, we should have covered. We should have taken the let's call it 20 pips, right? 10% would have been making 2, after commissions, 1, whatever. But it didn't. We didn't do it, and it reversed on us and stopped us out at 135.073 for a loss of 44.5 pips or 4.5 on a size adjusted basis. So size adjusted, we pulled out 2.2 pips, and after commissions, we finished down slightly. So not the worst thing in the world. It was a busy day, just like running on a treadmill, like just running, but not getting anywhere, being stuck in mud, whatever you want to call it. It was just the grind of a day. We'll see what tonight and tomorrow gives us. We are in the middle of summer, the slowest time of year, as we all know, and markets around the world are at 20-plus year low as far as volatilities go. So we're going to try to grind it out all summer. We'll see. We'll take some days off here and there, and we'll see what we can. Hopefully, we can finish July and August on a positive note. Except for that one day in July, it's really been a grind so far. So we'll see what the rest of the month gives us. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way, and we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great rest of your day.